That's good.
Just cooling off a little.
Yeah.
And what we can do is like next Saturday when we get together, let's talk about what worked,
Sunday?
what didn't work. Next Sunday, yeah. What worked, what didn't work. What can we do better?
Nothing's not going to work,
next
son.
time?
Nothing's not going to work. Everything's going to be
Well,
fine.
I mean, you know what I mean. What works well?
Everything works well. It's fine. Get it
Okay. Everything is going to be perfect. I stand corrected.
Unless you.
I don't know you. I don't know if you know me very well. My name should be Murphy,
As in?
Murphy's Law.
Oh.
That shit shows up on me.
Just don't get arrogant.
Guitar strap break. Guitar strings break.
Stay humble. You'll be fine.
It's hard. It's very difficult to stay humble. It's difficult to stay humble when I'm around world-class musicians.
You're world class.
Okay, we're going to be live in like 1 second.
Which world?
Okay, we're over here having banter. Dude, you know how many times I'm sitting here like strumming with my fingers? Playing
I always
songs?
keep one in my mouth just in case.
Yeah, I can't do that because somebody won't do more vocals. I have to do a lot of vocals.
I'll do more vocals.
In the middle, in the beginning, you're going to share them?
Yeah, we're going to.
Oh,
I'm cool with that.
but you
There's
asked
times I'll write stuff and you'll say, well, you know, and I'll say, I can play with that.
We definitely got to do that.
Yeah, we can do that.
It's a long 1 second.
Hello everyone. It's Kim Hogan over here at Hope Restored Thrift, Hope Against Heroin,
That's great.
and the Hope Boutique. As we promised, we're coming live with you guys tonight. We are here with the band, the Sons of Syd, and they're going to perform for you guys for about, how long you think, 20 minutes?
About 20 minutes.
About 20 minutes. They're going to do a few songs, okay? So this is as a way for us to say thank you for all of you ladies who have supported us and shopped with us and donated over all this time since we started the live sales after COVID started. So we really appreciate it. During this jam session, you can donate to Hope Against Heroin. We have a $10 donation overlay off the top of my head. It's going to be sold number 100, and that'll drop $10 in your shopping cart. Okay? If you're not registered with us to shop, you won't be able to donate. So go ahead and type the word register in the comments. Follow the link that gets sent to your Facebook Messenger. That's going to sign you up to be a shopper with us, but you can also donate as well. And then you can comment sold 100, and I'll put $10 in your shopping cart for Hope Against Heroin. I am Kim Hogan. I started Hope Against Heroin in 2016. What we do is we help young people who are on the road to recovery. We help them, well, we actually help them get to treatment as well, but we also help them with the financial barriers that they face. With getting into recovery houses is like the biggest financial thing that we do with the money we raise. We help them with the first couple weeks of rent until they can get on their feet and get a job. And we do that for people coming out of jail in prison, okay? The very high rate of overdose deaths for those people who are coming out of jail and prison, and when they relapse, they die. So we're trying to kind of curb those numbers a little bit. We've been doing a really good job of it all these years. And so we're going to continue it with the live sales that we're doing. And we're just, without any further ado, we're going to get started. I'm sorry we're running a little bit late. I can't really see your comments. The computer's a little bit far away from me right now, so I'm sorry. I'm not ignoring you ladies. Okay, so I'm going to introduce to you Steve Calderbank, and he's going to say hi, introduce you guys, and then they're going to get started. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kim. Hi, everybody. My name's Steve Calderbank. Now you see me. And this is the band. We have Ed on the bass. We have Josh on the drums. And me on the guitar, and a horrible job at vocals. But you're going to clap anyway because you're kind, nice people. Our band's name is we call ourselves the Sons of Syd. And there's a reason for that. We're big fans of Syd Barrett. And if you know anything about the story of Syd Barrett, he was the member of Pink Floyd that just kind of like got dropped off at his mom's house. You know, we've been abandoned. We've been the ones that have been thrown away. We've been the ones that have been told, come back and talk to us some other time, or I lost your number, or ew, you're too hideous, get away from me. We've been there. We've been those people. So we got some songs that talk about that, and we also have some songs that talk about hope. And we're going to start off with a song called Drinking with My Dog. And it's really about me drinking with my dog. I did a whole lot of other stuff with my dog, but for the topic of tonight, it's just drinking with my dog. So we're going to start off with that. Hope you guys
TAR right now?
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the show so far. Just to let you know, if you want to make a $10 donation and help against heroin, you
Check all the
can use
connections.
the word
You look
SOUL
at this.
and the number 100, that'll drop $10 into your shopping cart. If you're not registered,
Thank you.
shop or
We'll
donate
use
with us,
connection.
just type the word register into the comments.
Okay, just leave it up there.
A link sent
After
to
the song.
Facebook Messenger. Click on that link and then go ahead and follow it through and then come on back and you can donate if you want to, or you'll be all ready to shop for our live sale, okay?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we are going to continue the show.
One more time. I'm sorry if the money maker scares you, but I want to get up real close and personal so that you hear what this stuff's about. This next song's called Down. And as I said, we write songs that are directed towards the people that have been thrown away, the people that have been cast aside, the people that have been told they're no good. Sometimes you feel like shit inside, but hold your head up because there's other people out there like you. The song's called Down, and we hope you like it.
shit on my shoes and my head on the ground. I'm down. I'm going down on a girl. There's no girl around. I'm down. I'm total disgrace. Take a look at my face. I'm down. I'm a fucked up thing that should never have been. 'Cause I'm down. And I know there's a better way. I'm tired of the beating. Just to stay. Anyway, I'm down. I'm down. I'm down.
More announcements.
Oh, yeah, I can talk. Yeah. Okay, guys, he's going to change his guitar out right now. If you're just joining us, we are doing a little live Hope Jam session as a thank you to all of our supporters and people who donate to help us with our online live sales that we've been doing since we had to shut our thrift store down. That supports Hope Against Heroin, okay? So I just popped on here tonight with these guys to say thank you. If you did want to donate to Hope Against Heroin tonight, you can do that on this video. You just type the word sold and the number 100, and that will drop a $10 donation into your cart if you are registered with us. If you're not registered, go ahead and type the word register into the comments. That's going to send a link to your Facebook Messenger, and go ahead and click that link and you'll get all signed up to donate at that point. So we're just waiting for him to switch out his guitars, and they're going to continue on, okay?
It's just me again, folks. I got the cordless, so I get to run up and, donate a little bit more, and I'll show up less. How's about that? This song is, even though the first two songs are a little dark and they cover some ugliness, but life wouldn't be worthwhile without hope. And somebody stood by me when I thought I was done. Somebody stood by me and propped me up when I felt like I wasn't strong enough to stand on my own. Somebody out there believed in me when I didn't believe in myself. Somebody out there has done more for me than I can ever give back to her. So maybe it's cheating. Like, I wrote a song and she thinks it's really cool. So it would be nice if you guys would click like on this one.
Yeah.
At least. It's called Thank You.
Since you came into my life, the clouds don't seem so gray. The
managed to make me smile, and that is never an easy thing. But do you know, do you realize just how deeply it goes? You left a mark in my heart. Now every song I sing is for you. Yeah, you know who you are, but do you know what you've done to me? Yeah, you built a fire so at night I can't see. Oh baby, ever since you came and laid on me that smile, you've opened up a door that I thought was locked closed. I know I'm not quite right, in fact I'm out of my mind, but all you had to do was keep treating me so kind. Yeah, you know who you are, but do you know what you've done for me? Yeah, me. You built a fire so at night I can't see. When we get nervous, we can take things slow. We can go easy or tear up our clothes. We can go easy or we can just roll with the well, since you came into my life, it's been the same. You've opened up my eyes, and now I see her change. I know I'm not quite right, in fact I'm out of my mind, but all you had to do is keep treating me so kind. Yeah, you know who you are, but do you know what you've done for me? Yeah, you built a fire so at night I can't see. Must be a good set, I broke a string.
Oh my goodness.
Because
What an
I think it's got that
absolutely
level.
beautiful song that was. That was so heartwarming and touching. And what he had said about his wife who he wrote that song for, that really touched my heart because my son is an addict and I know a lot of you who watch it who understand the pain that the families go through and the pain that the person goes through.
Over the top, man. Over the top.
Last time you see me tonight, folks. Last time. I'm going to close it out with some Johnny Cash. Everybody likes Johnny Cash. Everybody thinks Johnny Cash is wholesome. He was a drunk, he was an addict too. And he wrote some dark-ass songs, and we're going to do one of them right now called Deal With It. All right, gentlemen, you know the score. And a one, and a two, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, deal ya. Deal ya all my life. If I had a shot for a deal you down. One Thank you. Josh, you want to go say hi to the people?
Wow, these guys are on fire tonight.
Thank you. It was fun.
So they're all done. We're just gonna have the guys come out. We're gonna say goodbye. And so thank you guys for joining us.